Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write an announcement letter, a formal document used to share important news, updates, or changes in a clear and professional manner. You will begin your announcement letter by including your company or organization's name at the top, followed by your address, city, and postal code. Below this, you will provide your email address and phone number, ensuring recipients can easily contact you if needed. Next, you will mention the date on which the letter is being written. After these details, you will include a subject line that briefly summarizes the purpose of your announcement. This subject line should be clear and to the point, giving the recipient an immediate understanding of the letter's content. You will then address the recipient formally by using their name, maintaining a professional and courteous tone. After that, write, "We are pleased to announce," mention the purpose of the announcement, e.g., the launch of a new product, a change in management, an upcoming event. This change event update is part of our commitment to explain briefly how it benefits the recipient or aligns with the company's goals. We are excited about this development and believe it will mention the positive impact. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to any next steps or actions the recipient should take. For further details, please feel free to contact us at contact details or visit website if applicable. Best regards, your name, your position, company organization name. Here's our sample announcement letter. You'll notice how it clearly conveys important news, provides relevant details about the announcement, and maintains a professional and engaging tone throughout. The letter highlights the key information, explains its significance, and ensures the recipient understands any necessary actions or next steps. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and effective announcement letter that delivers your message with impact. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing professional documentation.